Present our funding on your growth strategy. So we at Reliance Commercial Finance, group company of Reliance Capital Limited, we have pride in saying that we are one of the largest finance company which is focusing on SMEs per se, and we also have 130,000 customers who are basically self-employed customers. So we are the finance company which is focusing on self-employed category customers, and over a period of time, we have also partnered in the Make in India progress. We are helping making India self-reliant. So let me take you through the presentation where basically we'll give think about the funding opportunities, what are the funding options available, and I'll start with the growth options. Basically, the growth options are a natural process. It's a natural process of adaptation and development that occurs under favorable conditions. So the business growth options are immensely available for you. As Mr. Manish was saying some time back, many companies have started very small, but they have become big by focusing on one product or one territory or one particular area. So that gives you huge success if you are focused in your growth strategy. Business growth is not homogeneous process. The rates, the pattern of growth varies from customer to customer, business to business, and area to area. A funding pattern which works in Hyderabad may not work in Chennai, might not work in Mumbai. So it depends. We have to devise our products. We have to devise our funding mechanism based on the location, based on whatever the market potential available in those areas. You guys can attract new customers through increased investments. People were saying advertisement is not a big thing. It will not be helping you to succeed in getting your business done. But I still feel advertising definitely helps you to reach your products to the end users. Expand existing sales channels and create new ones. Yes, you have multiple channels like direct marketing. You have the channels which can work in the dealership channels or the DSA channels which help us in getting us business. So these are the channels which we depend upon in reaching the end customers. So you can definitely create new ones also. Always it helps you when you enter new markets because you are going to be the pioneer in that industry. So when you enter new markets, you are the first in person who's going to be there in that particular industry. So it helps you to go capture the entire market and also have a leading market share. Sell more to existing customers. If you keep your customers happy, they'll keep you in business. So you have to definitely sell more to your existing customers and help them grow. Introducing new products and services. Innovation is the key. You need to keep innovating throughout your journey. So if you stop innovating, many companies we have seen in the past, if they stop innovating, they have not succeeded further. Create partnership with other business. Sharing resources, expertise will enable you to flourish. So if you can share your enablers, share your resources and be in business, that will help you to flourish in the market. Networking can also introduce you more potential customers. So we have seen during the day we have networked with so many people and we have discussed about various business opportunities that has definitely helped us in creating new avenues for us. I'll give you the basic funding requirement. What will be your funding requirement? Mostly funding requirements, I classify customers in the startup companies. Most of the SMEs are one-man show. They are the proprietor, they run for everything. So they have to take care of everything, financing, making salary arrangement or getting your payments, collections, all those things. So mostly it is one-man army. So I would like to ponder upon what is the requirement for one-man show. And other one is the matured businesses, the big wigs, what we talked about from the morning. So all those are big companies where the financials will be there in their doorsteps. So basically, you might need funding for we have taken considering the manufacturing setup. We might require for funding for raw material purchase. You might require for machinery funding where our term loans come in and help you. And additional setup funding. If you want to put a second plant or a third plant in your expansion mode, then you need funding for these. Startup, yes, you start with your capital, so you might not need funding for your raw material because you will put in, or you will be doing a job work for a leading manufacturer. So in a one-man show, yes, raw material gap funding would be required. If it is a mature organization, yes, they need funding throughout their setup. Machinery funding, if you are into manufacturing or helping manufacturing setup, you need funding throughout. So these are the various funding organizations, and we at Reliance Commercial Finance help customers to put up their setup, and we help them in getting more funding options. Additional setup funding, a startup organization or one-man show will not go for additional setup because for him to manage the existing show itself will be a big task. So for him to sustain the growth and then develop further will be taking some time. Whereas it will be for a matured organization, yes, they keep growing every time. The funding options available, unsecured loan, which is there, which is we call it as business loan, which many finance companies and banks offer. The funding rates, the interest rates will vary from somewhere between 13% to 17% depending upon the risk. Venture capital, yes, you can definitely look at for venture capital funding. Working capital, basically overdraft facility, which many banks will be in a position to help you out, whereas we as a funding arm finance company, we don't have that working capital facility, but you as business partners, we can definitely look at banks to take care of that requirement. Term loan, yes, starting from finance company to banks, our major lookout is on funding for term loans because that keeps you in business and keeps us also in business. Loans against property, yes, it depends on various parameters. We fund from self-occupied residential property to industrial property to a vacant land, depending upon whatever is your requirement. We come and support there in your business growth. Constraints in business growth. Since morning we were talking about the business opportunity, growth available, how do we grow the business. I feel finance is one of the major constraint. Arranging finance, getting finance through right partners or right finance company who understand your need is pretty critical. So external growth requires additional capital, investment. Sometimes it is very difficult for a small organization to get the funding requirement. Sometimes the small entrepreneurs, they don't know where to go and which company to go and ask for. That's where we have our DSA force or the dealer force who help us in acquiring these customers because they are in touch base with the end customers. They help these end customers to get these loans arranged from the market. Constraints in business, yes, market. Growth can be achieved to the extent or size of potential available in these markets. Each and every market will have a potential size. In Hyderabad, we might sell one product to an extent, whereas in Chennai, it might be different. It might be big markets like Mumbai, which is high consuming markets. It's high scopes. The scope is immense. Human resources, yes, as the firm grows, the management get detached. Basically, they lose touch with the employees. They lose contact with the end customers because they have become big. They start putting expansion plan. They start putting other avenues. So they lose touch with the customers. They lose personal touch with their employees. So that will definitely will not help in getting the morale up of their employees, which will result in inefficiency basically. Failing to innovate, if you don't innovate, then we might not be in business. So innovation is the key. I'll just take you upon in 2 slides what is that we have in store, we have an offer for you. We at Reliance Finance, Reliance Commercial Finance, encourage most of the entrepreneurs. Okay, we have funded first generation business, we have funded new customers, we have funded many customers in the industry where we have helped them to set up their business, set up their equipment, initial setup while putting equipment for their business requirement, and which has helped them in sustaining in business and taking it forward to the next level. Simplified loan assessment, we don't see the financial strength alone because we understand the SMEs basically don't show that entire top line and entire bottom line. They first decide on the bottom line, what is the profit can be shown, then they work backwards on increasing the expenses. So we don't go by the financials. We have a realistic understanding about the customer operation, the number of years in service, what is the business etiquette of the customer. We understand the competition, the industry, and then we fund based on his growth in the last few years and what is the asset generation, asset creation he has made. So we help him assessing in a simplified fashion. Secondary collateral norms, if you go to any bankers, the first thing is that anything beyond 10 lakh funding, they definitely ask for a property collateral or anything. So we at Reliance, we fund customers up to 2 crores without any secondary collateral. It can be for equipment purchase, it can be for business expansion. Taking that equipment alone as a collateral. The equipment per se will be ranging from a printing equipment, a manufacturing equipment, or a medical equipment in varied business. We have a special focus, especially in Hyderabad and Ahmedabad, which are pharma hubs, where we can fund up to 3 crores without secondary collateral. For their boilers or whatever equipments they purchase, we fund up to 3 crores. Medical equipment, yes, we have a funding pattern. We have funded many of your radiological equipments and many of the scan centers in Hyderabad and across India, where we take risk up to 5 crores without secondary collateral. Keeping that equipment as a collateral, we fund up to 5 crores. Funding to education institutions, we understand education is a key for any industrial growth or any country's growth. So we help institution in funding for their additional expansion, infrastructure development, or modernization of their laboratories, or any of nowadays the digital classrooms and other things. So we help them in putting those expansion modes. We have funded many schools, many colleges, many medical colleges in and around South India. We have a larger customer, and we also have faster turnaround time, considering we have a 7-day turnaround time for equipment funding and a 13-day working day time for funding for loans against property. So that's it from me. We have a stall put across. If you have any queries, any requirement, please get in touch with us. We are present across the country, so we do funding across all locations, all markets, and we are focused towards self-employed. So we don't have any issues in funding any self-employed category. Across service industry, manufacturing industry, any industry is fine with us. So let us know. Thank you so much thank you for your patient hearing. Thanks.